Here's another set of Otis Gen 2 MRL Traction lifts at Queen's Wharf in the city. I do like the green chime. And level 5 is 18 plus, so we'll wait for one to go down. There we go. Go to B5. Installed 2023, maximum load 1600 kilos, 21 persons. We'll do a cavity. Okay, that says it's installed 2023. This says 2021, so and it's a ReGen. Otis Gen 2 ReGen. There's the car park. Really nice. We've got to level 4. Can't go up to level 5 because that's 18 plus up there. I'm not 18 just yet. But I will be in a couple of months, so I'll do a retake of these in a couple of months so I can finally go up to level 5 and check it out for the first time. Not today though, because I'm not 18 yet. Key card reader. Might actually just send it up to level 5. I'm not going to go up there though, because I get into trouble. Sorry. And that's it.